Hi everyone, welcome to our training program Annihilator, an interpersonal communication skills program. So let's start with a quote by John Powell that communication works for those who work at it. So what is communication and what it means by working on it? So in a very simple language, communication is an art of expressing our thoughts, feelings, emotions, ideas and convey it in a right manner to other persons. In that way, working on communication becomes essential for us because it is the most important part for our lives, learning and growth. And by continually working on communication, we will help ourselves to grow in life, to have better results in personal as well as professional life. So great, isn't it? Let me introduce myself. I am Captain Shashank Dubey. I am a maritime and a corporate trainer, a life skills coach, and author of the book Miracles of Mindshift: Redesign Your Wealth and Wellness Destiny. So the first question that comes that what is interpersonal communication and why it is important? So in a very simple words, interpersonal communication is external, one-to-one or one-to-many, to an individual or a group. Now, importance of interpersonal communication. So as somebody has said, quality of our life is equal to the communication we have in our life, whether it is personal or professional life. And this is where we have designed this program Annihilator, which from my side we have designed in a way which is very much theoretical but equally practical. Things that you can take and apply it in your day-to-day life, be it personal or professional. Both ways it will help you. So the next thing that might come up in your mind is why the name Annihilator. So what is Annihilator? Annihilator is something which annihilates or destroys something or someone. So what are we trying to destroy here? Alright. So we are trying to destroy the barriers, the filters, the resistance in communication. And as the subtitle says, breaking communication barriers and building strong human bonds. So unless and until we don't break these barriers, we don't break this resistance, we don't break these frictions, we cannot have good communication and hence we cannot have good relationships, personal or professional, in our lives. Another thing that might touch is what do we have to offer in this program Annihilator. So this program we have divided in two parts. One is a half day, level 1, and level 2 is full day. By attending level 1, you will be able to improve your interpersonal communication skills. You will be able to break these barriers or roadblocks that we are talking about. You will be able to build strong human bonds that will help you in personal and professional life. You will be able to build rapport with anybody just like spontaneously. Some basics of communication, ABC of communication, understanding formulas of communication. So I'll give you certain formulas. And what is a formula? It is a design concept to get the desired result every single time. So that we will be giving you in these training programs. You will be able to develop very active listening skills and eventually the power of your verbal intelligence. Unleash it now. And the level 2 is a full day program, and there we will cover certain topics like understanding the NLP communication model, which is a much more deeper explanation of a simple communication model. Then removing psychological filters in communication. Power to influence and motivate any individual or a team. Understanding authority, assertiveness, and what is assertive communication. Managing difficult people and how to make your way around with effective communication. Similarly, handling difficult conversation rather than running around. And eventually, yes, how to effectively build a team and how to resolve any conflict with effective communication. So this is all about the program. And the last thing I just want to touch here, which I call it as a yin-yang theory of organization. We have seen as an individual, this program is going to help you. But as an organization, will it help me? So just two simple questions here. So first question is, what do we want our people to do? Right? How should they perform? What should be they doing? We always think about it. right? And we expect certain behaviors, certain results from them. That's good. But the second question could be, what are we going to do for our people? How are we contributing as an organization in their growth, in their learning, in their results? All right. So it is a moral responsibility as an organization also to effectively invest in your employees. And why yin yang? As I say, as above, so below. You will get the fruits as the roots are. Now, if you don't like those fruits, you will have to work on the roots first. And this is what is all about working on communication skills. It is the root, it is the base. Once you have understood, later on we'll be coming up with our higher leaderships program like Power of Leadership. But before going there, this is the root part. Finally, I will leave you with the thought from where we are going to start this program. What is important for us? Technology in organization or psychology in organization? Simply putting, what is more effective? Technical skills versus soft skills. So no answers here. I'll catch you up in the main training program. So finally, ending with the quote 2 by Paul J. Meyer. So communication, the human connection, is the key to personal and career success. So all the best wishes to you, and looking forward to you joining our program soon. See you guys. Thanks a lot.